Do I get... Okay. Hey, that seems good. It came through. Edit. It's not that. We're doing science and technology. Please, for once, remember my choice. Okay, that is all I heckin' care about. Oh, YouTube is... Update the category. You're so dumb. You are useless, YouTube. Is it? No, it's not gaming. It's science and technology. Save. Oh my goodness. How many times do I gotta update you until you realize that? Please. Okay. Oh, I forgot to do something I meant to do off stream. Rip. Rip. I deserve that. Ah, what's going on? I don't know. I may need to worry about that a little bit later. What's up, Peggy? Hello. Or I just need to so I've found this collection of trucks passing by. I just need to find one of them. I think that was the one I wanted. Hey, how about that? Okay, stop. Stop playing, please. Like, I just wish to split this and get a sound effect. Yeah, there we go. That's fine. That's fine. Delete that. Delete that. It should be good. Okay, let's just export as MP3. Oh, is Emiko here? I have something over my stream right now. Hi, Emiko. I'm going to assume Peggy's not lying to me and that you are actually here. Development, art. What is this called? I can't write. This will be honkhonk.mp3. So let's see. What's up? What's up? These are your favorite streams? Yay! We'll need to figure out what in the heck we're going to do after this, though. This one's going to be a struggle because I want to listen to music. But I gotta, like, actually do some sound effects stuff, too. What's up, Niemi? How are you? Okay, so I can go to development, art, here. Take that and go to RenPy projects. I'm doing pretty solid. So we'll do that. And then I also have... So I got some background music. I did some searching for background music. Did you know I can make her moderator? Yeah, I thought she was. Maybe she only is on YouTube. Maybe I haven't done that on Twitch, because it's only been kind of recent that I've done it. Oh, no, she's a mod. No, that's Twitch Prime. Never mind. Yeah, I can figure that out later. Oh, mod. There you go. Now she's a mod. I did it. Yeah, she's a mod on my YouTube channel, but I haven't been streaming Twitch for too long, and honestly, my Twitch streams are still small enough that I can take care of it myself. Well, you're a mod now, Peggy. You've been working on your game since last night and you have not slept? I guess that's a mixed bag of good and bad. Take care of yourself, though. Please. Bleed. Okay. Yeah, now you can ban everyone. Ha 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 ha. So, I was looking up how to do audio, and there's pretty much this. I would assume that as long as it's in your audio channel or in your audio folder, it would be fine. Music volume, sound volume, poo. Template does not support queuing sound. Okay, that's fair. Just been kind of working this. You have a sword? Oh god, she's gonna stab people. Oh, she sent me a picture of a Tommy Blamp. I thought that crown was gonna be moderator. Get like a crown on my channel, but no, apparently not. Okay, I mean, so I guess I just need to do play music like this. Honestly, I pretty much just want to steal this and put that somewhere, like right at the start. Fade out and fade in seem good. I think I'm allowed to change these names of the audio, but I don't know why I wouldn't as long as I credit it properly. I just want stuff to be a bit better. Or, I mean, as long as I credit it right, it should be fine, but I don't want to type out all these names. Okay, so should be able to just do like .mp3. If you guys, especially for you, Emiko, if you have never heard of oh, they changed it. They've technically gone to another domain. I think it's like filmmusic.io now. I should have just checked, but I know it as Incompetech. If you've never heard of them, it's royalty-free music as long as you credit it properly. So like I've stored all my credits right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, no, that is enough. I thought for some reason I was missing one, but we're fine. And then, so then, what is it? Is it sound? Yeah, sound. I can use that. I was hosting someone else, so I decided to host you instead. Ah, yeah. I'm moving up in the world now. Thank you for that. Hoping for it to be done by tomorrow. Wow, that's fast. Speedy wants to play it before he goes back to work. Don't we all want to do everything before we go back to work? If I knew you're coming online, you would have raided me. Yeah, I know. One of these days I'll like build a schedule, but you'll worry about that later. So where's our truck? There we go. Not if I have something to do with it. Then we do play sound honk.mp3. So this is going to be horribly balanced, I'm sure. So it'll be great and fantastic. But I think this is all I gotta do. Like, honestly, I would be happy just to hear stuff. It's like, no, that didn't work. Sure. Couldn't find file. Okay, so no, it doesn't know where it is. So I need to do, that seems a little ridiculous. That it doesn't search its own audio file. Like, it gave me an audio folder. You'd think it would check there. Whatever, you've been awake for 25 hours straight, and most of that time was spent working on it in some way? Holy cow. So let's see. Oh, okay, hey, that's nice. That's nice. Let's see. I figured just like some nice piano music in the background would be swell. It's a little, this one may be a little slow, but I figured it would just be mostly good to have something. Granted, maybe I should have like done something else. I'm like, let's see. So what am I at? I'm at 10. That's not too bad. That's actually a pretty decent volume. I'd say that's kind of around what I normally listen at is 10, and it's kind of right there, so that might work out nicely. Is there like a volume? I'll leave that up. It'll be nice. Loop. Specifies the position from 5 to 15.5. Interesting. Loop. Will play song dot opus all the way through once, then loop back to the 6.333 second mark before playing it again all the way through the end. What? Well, see, I'm like, now I just want to listen to this nice soft piano music. I should not have done this. Because now I'm just gonna want to do this. Anyways, we gotta go. So if we go to the main menu, it stops. That's fine. So how's the honk honk sound? Is it bad? It's gonna be so loud. I'm sure of it. Just remove the jump. So what happens if I just put this here? Does that just make it play like on the main menu? No. Okay, so this is just for the actual game. That's fine. But it should be starting in? No, it didn't, because we hopped. Okay, so that did not work. Gotta do that. All Truck-kun is good Truck-kun. Oh, all Truck-kun is bad Truck-kun. That's how you die. Start again. Yeah, Peggy will be doing a playthrough. For some reason. It's gonna be terrible. People are gonna downvote that video forever. That's so good. Oh my god, it takes way too long, but that's hilarious. Oh my goodness. Dying now. Oh. Oh, it's so bad. Let's see, that took too long. Is there a way to shorten this clip at all? Not by a ton. Yeah, it kind of just is. Like, you'd be starting it in the middle. Darn. Okay, I'm gonna turn this back down. Whew, holy cow. I'm gonna restart this song too, because I like this song. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, actually, it's like now I have my normal music on at 10, and I can not hear my piano music. So I'm like, that seems fine for background music, being able to barely hear it. How bad is it? Oh, it's so good. Maybe I should do that. Because then... That's so dumb. I don't know, I kind of like, I kind of liked how it did that. I just need to... What is the, RenPy animations. Is there a way to like slow that down? I mean, there's like this animation and transformation language, which seems gross. I mean, oh god, there's so much of this stuff right here. Time. There are multiple time statements. They must strictly increase in order. What's up, Trash? How are you? Pause for 1 second. I just thought about how you missed my streams. Oh, so nice. I'm so flattered. So let's just like maybe add a delay here. So like I should just be able to do like that should supposedly pause it for a second. That might be good enough, right? If I have something to say about it. I didn't do heckin' anything. Is it, oh, is it because it's not an image? We are finishing up the game, so I'm just trying to add in a couple sound effects real quick. Literally just this one sound effect is all I really care about. Except there's, well, I guess there's one more. Image. Truck. I don't know if that's how it works. No, that didn't work at all. Three things. Excellent, linear, repeat. Because it feels like they're all telling me something different. Like this one has image, this one has show. I'm like, what is, I don't know what it wants. On statement. Transform. But then after we're doing the sound effects, then I'm going to rewrite the concert scenes that there's 5 different endings depending on which girl you choose. And then I think that'll be about it. Zoom. Finishing this game already? It feels like you just started. Yes, I'm finishing because I have 1 day and 8 hours left. So yeah, I kind of got to finish it up pretty darn soon. And I mean, it's one of those like I don't want to stream twice tomorrow if I can avoid it. It's fine when I do that. But yeah, Game Jam, like I had 2 weeks to make this, so I've done 9 streams of it if I counted correctly in the last 2 weeks. I think it was 16 days, so I've done more than one every other day, and it's kind of impressive for me. So yeah, my goal is to get it through with this. But then I guess on Monday or something we can go through and play a couple of these. It looks like there's quite a few more. This one looked cute. Carl's Adventure of Learn-ish. I don't know what that means. But Carl learns about basic things such as reading. Show. Wait, so hold on. So what was the was that the difference with like the image? Did you need to specify what it was? Image contains, oh, that's based on transform image. What is that? Parallel statement, that's fine. I don't know why I care about. Block statement. Group statements that will repeat. Show logo base X-line linear one. If you finish yours in time, you might submit mine. Yeah. Do it. Yeah, yours would definitely qualify, because you definitely were doing it since I started working on this. What's really fun is if you're not a part of itch, you definitely can be. Whoops, that's not the one I wanted to hit. Game jams. Because, like, I mean, look at all the game jams you can do. So the weekly game jam has just started. It's a little hard to see, but this gray bar right in the middle is the current date. It's like there's a Magical Girl game jam coming up that I thought about doing, but I don't know if I would be able to do much of anything in that time. So you can look through if you want to really struggle. There's a no video jam where you need to make a game with only audio or like tactile feedback or something. But yeah, like there's always game jams happening, and so you can always find something to work on. Some of them are much more difficult than others, like the Genesis game jam down here. I don't expect many people know how to program for a Genesis. I would like to learn. That'd be fun. Now I'm like, ooh, Kenny Jam's always a big one, but that one's very difficult. It's going to be just a weekend, but you get to use Kenny assets, and who doesn't love Kenny assets? Also, if you need assets, seriously, Kenny. So many assets. Not my mess. Now I'm just like looking forward, like, fun. What else could I do? Bonfire jam? Oh, the One Lone Coder code jam? Shoot. Watch this guy on YouTube. This one looks like it's just make something. That's fun. That might be a fun one to do. How long is it? A week, it looks like. Yeah, it's fun. Just do stuff like this. Rikaze. RE Wind. Yeah, you only started this a couple days ago. I mean, it works out then. This. So isn't this supposed to... So does this do anything right now? Nope, not much of anything. ATL. Do I need the ATL? Equals. If it's a transform, that transform is executed. Oh no, ATL examples like the image group name. So display that, then pause, then with dissolve, and then move right. Welcome back. A transform is executed. If it's an integer or floating point number, it's the displayable replaces the child. Test images slash truckcoon dot png. What, do you do something like that? That didn't work. He's not there at all. Is it just like I need to just reload? Just checking? Nope. Please just tell me how I make it work. It is images slash truckcoon.png. Yas. Finished a short story of mine not too long ago, and your friend encouraged me to post it. It got a comment on it the other day, and I got so excited, but it was only a grammar mistake. Tragic. Well, congratulations on finishing and posting it. That's a lot better than a lot of people can say, mostly myself included. I have posted very few of the things I like actually work on. So does it not need images? Like, does this one just for some reason not need it? Because that would be kind of infuriating. No, it's just not. I don't understand. Why isn't this working? X line, Y line. How long is this? It's like a 5-second clip. So it's like a line around. Pause 1.0. Oh my goodness. Doing the images wrong? I have no idea, quite frankly. So I'm just gonna change this back to show Truckcoon, because that was working. Oops, what did I hit? Page up. That's not what I wanted. Pause. Today doesn't move. Isn't he supposed to do? Or do I need to do like a linear? I really wish it was like better at doing this. Repeat, I don't care about that. So am I supposed to do like zoom 5? So like linear. Maybe that's what I want. Maybe I do linear, take 1 second to do a zoom to 2, and then no, it should be like take 2 seconds, then take 3 seconds to do a zoom to 5, so it would speed up. Swap that around because it should take about 6 seconds. It's just not doing anything. It's the main, rather not say it's fanfic. Fair. Emiko had the courage to ask. I was like, I'm not going to ask because I feel like that was probably the answer. The main reason your friend wanted me to post it, I wouldn't have otherwise. You have image Truckcoon equals image. No. But supposedly this stuff should also work with just a show? It's just like not works. This is just the different names. Oh, so I could do like what would it be? Like an ease in? Don't. If I just did like ease in. No, ease out. So I'll just do ease out 5.0 to a zoom. My goodness. I don't think, welcome back to master mode. I don't think you need to define them. It shows them just working on a show, like, okay, function, slide function, but it's like, I don't know. I've not been terribly happy with the RenPy documentation. Let's see, am I just like using the wrong thing? Rotate, zoom to be zoomed by the, yeah, no, that should be fine. So I should be able to do like ease out. It's just, he's just not heckin' moving at all, my dude. Please move a little bit. Just silly. Is it because there's no dialogue after the fact? Like, I wonder if that's why, if it's still on the pause when it fades out. Yeah, okay, so that was it. And that's way too slow. So I could do like pause for like a 0.5. Okay, so that's just why. It's just 3.0. do like that. See, like, can you just like not immediately jump? Like, calm down. Just take a chill pill until I'm ready. Is there a way to just like RenPy pause? RenPy pause. That should be fine. How to add a pause. Thanks, Reddit. Show picture with pause. Was it capital? Pause. Seconds. Ah! 3. Actually, I guess it really only needs 2 because we're doing a 2-second. Oh, that's... Oh, that's the beautiful thing right there. Oh, that was just perfect. Timing couldn't have been... Okay, the timing could have maybe been a bit better, like maybe 2.5. But, shoot, that was the stuff right there. Yeah, and then it fades out right as the Doppler effect starts going away. I'm like, oh, okay, ooh, that's good stuff. So now I got to do my test of, is that too loud? Because it might be too loud. Music, you got to go away real quick because I got to go back to my normal trash. Welcome to Twitch. Really helping me get to that affiliate status. It's not deafeningly loud, but it's probably too loud. So what's like the volume? RenPy. Go back to audio. There should just be like a volume, I would think, right? Or do I just need to can I seriously not adjust the volume on each audio thing? It just depends on their so loop from to audio data place. Q. Oh, there's a pan. Fun. Set volume. It's the volume of this channel. RenPy play sound with volume. I don't know. This is the exact same thing. I just want something. Anyways, well, I'm not going to worry. It's not deafeningly loud. It's just loud. I'll just be like, I don't know how to play. How does RenPy work? The only thing I particularly care about now... Ooh, a song just ended, so does it go to the next song? Perfect. All right. Well, thanks for stopping by, Niemi. It was fun to have you here. Enjoy your sleep. I assume that's where you're headed off to. So then here it should be play music. I think I can just, followed by the name of a channel, it optionally takes the loop and no loop clauses. But I think looping is typical. Bye. Oh, you're going out. Oh, fun. Because you can do that. Because you're not American. Because you live in a country with smart people. The sad piano music in the background really sells this. Like, I like it. Yeah, I know, right? Okay, so going for a walk in the forest. Oh, nice. That sounds super fun, actually. Yeah, have fun with that. Okay, so what is it? It's raving dash energy dot mp3. So we'll go to live time now. Just jump at the start. So that should do that. We can go to the main menu. We'll start. It's perfect. And then let's see what happens. Oh, I should do one thing. Just kind of copy this line and put it. Actually, does it even heckin' matter? I'm like, they're so close to the end of the game at this point. Like, yeah, I'm like, I could just play the live music through. Well, I mean, it's just. Nah, yeah, I'll throw this back in here. I think that'll be nice just as a reprieve, because depending on how long it takes. Right, gotta do audio slash try again. Okay. Oh my goodness. That one's much louder. Oh, but I forgot to do like a fade out 1.0, fade in 1.0. Would that help at all? Let's see. Okay, so I'll do that. The fade in should probably be longer. Honestly, both of these should be longer. I think it'll just be fine. Oh my god, it's so perfect though. Oh yeah, right. Oh, okay, well, so Sweden. Well, now I know where you're from. I took Niemi and I'm like, I only know Niemi as like a hockey player from Finland. So I was like, is it Finland? But then when I looked up times in Helsinki, it was like, no, it's not. Yeah, it was like, no, they're an hour ahead of what you said, but now I know. Coronavirus has really been good at revealing which governments are good and which ones are bad. Yeah, I feel like there are some people that are like actually proud of their countries. Not one of them. But I mean, like, a lot of European Union countries did pretty well. Every country has some bad stuff for it, though. It just depends on... Okay, so wait. I think I'm just going to change the fade outs to just be longer on everything. Because I like the longer fade. It just makes it a lot less jarring than just a second. Then I think that'll be nice. Let's see. All right. Yep. See you, Niemi. We'll see if I'm still live. Depends when you get back, of course. Okay, so we've got our energy, or not our energy, our piano. Then you go here, fades out, and then a fade in. And you know what? That's fine. This song's definitely a lot louder, but I think it works with a fine fade because you can just adjust some stuff. Okay, but then I care about then that fades out. Head up back to the room, and then our piano comes back. Okay, that's totally fine in my opinion. That's about all I wanted to do with music. Music and sound effects are my least favorite part by far, like by a long shot. Oh, good. Bayern scoring again. Hope there are no Chelsea fans in my chat. So let's see. So then I think I just need to rewrite this nonsense. Jump to live bunny center. That'll be fine. Label live bunny center. And it'll be kind of all right, because honestly, like, this is pretty, like, this is decent for Bunny's concert, honestly. Actually, it's not where I want to put it, because I have my to-do down here. Yeah, I'm gonna separate it out a bit more, because that will just guarantee that even if they like skip here for some reason, it will show them in the proper order. I don't know. Live. Sasha Center needs to end with a jump outro. Actually, just copy it up to there. So we've got Bunny, cool. This should be Norma, Sasha, and Senpai. At this point, there's no way I'm gonna be able to rename them. That's just gonna be how it is. So we'll take this. This will jump to live cool center. We'll have a little bit of a repeat, but it's not the worst thing. Live Norma center. Jump to live. Sasha center. And you're there. Just, yeah, that was the wrong thing. Jump to live RenPy center. Definitely could have structured this if statement like a reasonable human being, but that's too difficult now. It does what I want it to, so I'll take that. Oh, yay. Our friend got a shiny Magikarp in Pogo. Woo. Okay, so I think that should be good. And this is just like the shortest scene, but I don't even care at this point. Like, maybe that should be... Yeah. If I repeated more, I could just have it go. There. What am I doing? So in this one, I'm just gonna change it. Actually, no, because this will tell me what I want to change, which I think will be good. So then let's see. So that's pretty much just what I'm gonna copy on each one. It's not the greatest thing to just be copying like 6 lines, but it's also a game jam, so I'm not terribly concerned. We'll deal with it. So let me just change this just to bunny. Then this one I can change suddenly the song she wrote, because bunny is the one there. Okay, so that's pretty much what we need. So then, because then we can also change their dialogue a bit more and make it a little less cookie cutter, which would be great. Oh man, if there's a Python library of tracery, you could use that for this, and that'd be real good. Norma. Is it really just the 2 on each one? I'll take it. Why not? Oh, and I guess I could have been doing this, but whatever. RenPy. Like this. These should have been changed as well. RenPy. Sasha. Norma. When you're doing like, or at least I've found when you're doing like a visual novel like this, like variables don't seem as terribly useful if they're not just like Boolean flags, because I'm like, yeah, like I stored the center and I could have done that, but it just feels like everything should be a bit more tailored for each one. So then this is what we have to do today, is just rewrite of these. I guess technically I honestly, I should have just copied the whole thing, because then that'll just cue me in to where I should change it quicker, like for a bare minimum. Is that right? Yeah. So for a bare minimum, I just need to change between the two comments here, but might want to do a bit more, but for right now, I'm not going to argue too much. Why am I getting a Discord message? Go away, Discord message. Okay, so just gotta figure out how to write descriptions and all that now. It's definitely not way too heckin' difficult. No, definitely not. Certainly not. Oh, I feel like I have no ability to like think right now. I'm like, how do I be creative? Okay, well, Bunny is definitely the sensual one, so we just gotta worry about that one more. Just gotta figure stuff out. It's like, I mean, it's even only gotta be like 2 or 3 lines. Like, honestly, I mean, this line would be best for Sasha, I think. I like this one for Sasha. But because then I can change this second one and just be like, hard work. It's really paying off. Then we can bring up like talking about her past auditions. How do you start visual novels? Vomit draft. I will never say it enough. You throw words onto the page. It is just what I live by now. Oh my god, I've been obsessed with this song recently. Gotta turn up my volume while I work on this. I'm never gonna get any work done. Especially something as small as being shy. Put her head and shoulders. Best of the competition. And it's apparent the crowd sees this as well. Like, see, there we go. That's all we really need for Sasha. Like, that's her scene done pretty well. Senpai's is always going to be the hardest to write, I think. Okay, so let's see. Are you streaming Game Jam games on Monday? Yeah, Monday or Tuesday. we'll probably just go through and play a couple of them, leave some comments and whatnot. You know, things I'm not very good at, but people are probably going to do to my game, so I should, like, you know, pay it forward and whatnot. I'm so bad at it though. Why on screen? Why did I say that? Yeah, I hope you can be there too. Can yours be one? I mean, hey, if you get it on the jam, page, then I'm obligated to. See, it's like it's kind okay, I'll admit it's a little bit of like bribing you to actually share your stuff. But it's also like it is a very common thing for game jams to do, especially if they involve a judging thing. I don't think it really matters on like itch, but on like the global game jam, which has like its own website, or Ludum Dare, your game gets judged more frequently. Like, it comes up in the lottery of random games more frequently depending on how many games you judge. So there actually is a system to incentivize you to judge games so that your game gets judged more, and then you can win prizes. So, you know, it's not like I'm saying I'm not going to play yours if you don't put it in the jam, but when we're doing jam judging, I wouldn't play yours if it's not in the jam. It would have to wait for a bit later. But if you get it in the jam, then all bets are off. Then I have to. Just excited to know what you think about it, so I'm super determined. Woohoo! What's up, Bubblegum? Welcome! Oh, interesting. Okay, I want to fix that. It went to the party music. So I might need to specifically stop the music first. Like, I might just be able to do like stop music, fade out 3.0, and then start new music, and then when we get down to the bottom, we'll need to do another stop music, fade out. See, I'm like, I wish it was more transparent. Like, does that clear this? Does that clear the queue? Is there a way to clear the queue? So, like, I don't want a queue. I want to clear the queue. Set queue empty. No, that's a callback for that. Stop. And DQs all queued music. Good. Thank you. Okay, so it is slightly better than I was giving it credit for. Okay, that's fine for Norma. Just talk about her leadership and whatnot. Yeah, we gotta know which one to play. Yeah, Bayern beat Chelsea. Suck it, Chelsea. Bayern waltz into UCL quarters. German champions roll to a dominant 7-1 aggregate win. Oof. I did not realize... Wait, when did they play last? Apparently they won 3-0? When did they play last? It's MLS. Are you lying to me, app? Unless it's from like a really old game or something. Shoot, I don't see anything about Bayern's last game. No idea. Let's see if I go here. Schedule. Oh, okay. It's from February. It's from my birthday. It's from February 25th. Okay, so I was supposed to remember a game from 6 months ago. Thanks. Thanks, I'm glad. I'm glad. I will never understand the football schedules over in Europe. They have so many tournaments and whatnot that just like mix leagues. And I'm like, how are you supposed to follow? Like, I want to follow Bundesliga. And I'm like, okay, I can kind of follow Bundesliga. And then Bayern goes and plays Chelsea in the Champions League or something, or the whatever the UCL is. Universal Champions League? I don't know. It's like, shoot, what do you want from me? Okay. So who's this one? Cool? Okay. Cool is looks like she is herself far more than I thought she would. Okay, she said nothing too girly. Is there something I can help out or bring up her past a little bit? Enjoying herself far more than I thought she would. How did you do the slow ellipsis? You put in braces characters per second equals the speed you want, and then I also bolded mine in braces. It's like should be able to just. Can I just put that in there? Yeah. Seems good enough. So that's bunnies, right? Yeah, okay, so I'm working on cool for right now. You're welcome. Try and help out where I can. It's so weird seeing my own name in chat. I'm like, whoa, what are you doing there? You're not supposed to be chatting. You're supposed to be streaming. Oops. That seems fine for cool. Bunny deserves a bit more. This one will say past lives that we're not repeating. She never technically said anything about an apartment, but whatever. I'll just say in her room. She definitely has a room. That's fine for Bunny. So then we got Norma, we got Sasha. So that just leaves Senpai actually, and then we're good, honestly. Like, well, good enough. Oh, let's see. Senpai, why did I make you the most bland character in the world? I can never think of how to write for you. I have done this to myself. I have no one to blame but me. And of course, I still have isekai up with Senpai's face. So it's just Senpai just sitting there smiling and laughing at me. Barca holds off Napoli. Good job, Barcelona. Oh. Wait, is Bayern playing Barca next? Spooky. In September. That's forever. We'll never get there. I don't even know where the next UCL game is. Holy cow. What is going on? Is it 6 months from now? What is happening? Bland is difficult, but then again, you're bland, so... Yeah, but I'm bland too, but I'm like, I can think of dialogue for me sometimes. But then again, can I think of description for me? Nah, not really. I think I would look like a dying alligator dancing on stage, though, so I think I could use that. Bleh. That'll be fine. Such a lame description, but whatever. Actually here, this we want to stop. We want to like stop the music there. And I know I says it crescendos to a powerful chord, but we're not going to do that. And then I just need to show all their excited poses, right? Would it be that, or would it be the happy? Or oh, this is sorted by recent. I was like, why aren't these in order? I might just show Senpai excited. What's Senpai idol excited. Show Sasha idol excited. Right? That one? Yeah. Norma excited. Yep. Show Norma idol. No, just Norma excited. She has just an idol. Cool has Could do her angry pose, but whatever. No, we won't. So we'll just do... There's not much we can do, and then... Yeah, perfect. And then show bunny idle excited. So Cool's the only one who's doesn't get like the perfect one, but whatever. That'll be fine. We'll just copy paste this all around. It's perfect. It's gross, but it'll have to do. Okay, so back. Okay. So then this should be fine. Guild is packed. Then we've got our sick music going, which is good. Why did that? Okay, it felt like that didn't. Maybe my mouse double clicked. That must have been it. Okay, there we go. Okay, Cool kind of gets covered, but that's fine. I'm not terribly concerned. Main menu. So then we'll just go to... Oops, it's like done talking. I would restructure this if I had the time or the patience to do it. Oh God. Ugh. But I can't be bothered right now. I guess we'll pick Sasha. I just want to make sure that like she stays in front. Oh no, I'm exploding and gonna die. What a struggle right now. Thank you. Dot. Okay, it did say what are. The manager could maybe have more poses as well, but I don't care too much. She'll just need to deal. Dot. Okay, that should have... retrieved costume. This should have a with dissolve, because that was just way too abrupt. Boop. Okay, so like kind of Cool shifted up, RenPy shifted up, whatever. That's probably just me messing up in Kiskai a little bit, just moving them. Can't see RenPy at all, but that's fine. Like every show could honestly have a with dissolve. But Sasha's doing her thing. Okay, yeah, if you just like zoom through it, you don't get to hear that song for very long, but that's fine. I'll take it. That seems fine, honestly. Oh. There's a problem. Wait, did I remember it? Yeah, yeah, they just swap outfits right there. Okay, cool. That didn't. I'm just gonna, because I'm lazy, call appear all 5 idle. That will just take this and just slap an idle on the end of it. Then Norma gets to stay, but everyone else swaps around. See, that's why we play through and edit the game and all that. Okay, good. Now they're all... Okay, that's nice. So then, now I gotta do the final stuff. I don't really care. I thought about going to a black screen, but whatever. We'll just jump to credits. I didn't make these assets, so I gotta make sure I do this. So let me just take all this. Just make sure that everyone gets the credit they deserve. Thank you for playing. Credits. So I'll just do tavern background Nila 122. That'll be a fine structure. We didn't use the auditorium. We did use the anime school background. I'll call it the gate background. Homunculus opengameart.org. Hot dog truck. Mad Marcel opengameart.org. Warrior Girls Chris J. Reed opengameart.org. And then I just gotta make sure I'll just set up a different one, and then I think I should be able to just like take this, and I would assume I can do a /n. I didn't take notes for Kizukai like I should have, so I forgot how to be able to make their eyes close and stuff, and you can't figure it out again. So the best bet is you want to use the emotions tab. I'm super bad at this sometimes too. No, that's eyebrows. Isn't it in here? Or is it in the eyes? Oh, I'm pretty sure it's in the emotions tab. Oh, okay, it's this one for some heckin' reason. It's just the top left one. The eye with the left arrow. You know, exactly what you'd expect. Because... Perfect. We're being Picasso right now. Oh no, she got stung by a bee and now she's sad. Yeah. It's the icons are not terribly helpful in the slightest. Okay, sometimes they are, but a lot of the times they're not. Oh yeah, the most beautiful. It's really creepy when you're just closing your eyes like that. Why? It's called blinking. Okay, so I think that should look fine. I mean, I don't really know if I can make these links at all. So I don't know if that's gonna work too well. That was not normal blinking. Wanna bet? Blink, blink, blink. Oh, there we go. Now she's happy because she can blink again. Blink. Okay, I think that's gonna work. Skip. We'll go with Sasha again because I can skip all of her stuff. Thank you for playing. Credits. Okay, that worked well. Boop, boop, boop. Music. Okay, that looks fine. I mean, it's not great, but it's fine. As long as it like I don't know if I can like actually make those links or whatnot, but it'll be fine. All it said, all the website says is put that text in your credits. And I mean, there's like an about. Maybe I could do that. Maybe let's see if I can put it in the about. Is there an about in here? About. Show menu about. That might actually be better. Oh yeah, no, this actually looks a heck of a lot better. Oh, and you can do A tags. Okay, so never mind. I can just rip all this out. It's stupid. Let's just skip that and just return. And I don't care about all that. But this stuff, I'm gonna take it all. That should be fine. Blink, blink, blink. So then I can maybe shorten these a little bit. Then I can do like text. Just do external graphics from a equals https://opengameart.org/a. I don't know. That open game art. Then throw them on this. Like that, and like that. Instead of blink, blink, truck goes beep, beep. Oh no. So can I just do like a new line like that? I mean, I might be able to. Is that good? Probably not. Text. Music. Two, three. It wants me to not change it at all. Peepin', peepin'. So I'm like, does it want me to do, was it just A equals? Yeah, A. Because like I can do that. A. Because I think it expected this to go in like YouTube thumbnail or descriptions and whatnot. Not thumbnails, oh my goodness. What a horrible thumbnail that would be. Oh, this one I forgot. This one I didn't copy right. Gotta do that. /A. So does that look right? Well, it looks gross. Software under number of licenses including that. I'm not going to take that away because it seems important. I'm just going to honestly just throw another text under here and maybe call it good. So like if I click that, does it take me to open game art? Yes. And then do I get raving energy? I need to make sure this one especially because there's like this dash on the end that I was worried about. It's like, is that right? Okay, white should go to white. Scroll down, 2 together, 5, or yeah, just 2 together. And then, sorry, touching moments, 5 should go there. And that worked out well, yeah. Cool. Okay, so that's credits too. That might be the last thing I had to do. So I'm like, we might have a completed game at this point. My goodness, I'm so happy. Go preferences. The only thing I don't have figured out is events to give the girls points from and determine the route. Yeah, that's fair. That's always the hardest part. That's why I said it's easiest to have you like make the choice earlier rather than trying to keep points. Like keeping points is probably the hardest way to do it, but you know, you do you and all that. All right, so this is disgusting. What's our final line count? 1543, lots of white space. Oh wait, no, that's screens. I was like, that seems low. 2427, lots of white space. Lots of repeated code, well, lines near the end. I could have fixed that, but you know what? I'll take it. I'll take it. Oh, I should make sure we do not have the jump at the start. Whew, that would be bad. So, like, it's just the jump should go to isekai. It should pretty much always go to the next label unless it's a choice, which is fine. It's just a nice way to break stuff up. Pull the lever, crunk. Intros. It's fine. Group naming. We didn't really do much naming, but whatever. Honestly, maybe I should change that. It's not like 100 choices, so you thought it'd be fine. You just need 3. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. So we'll just take this out. Just complete the necessary paperwork so you can begin working for the guild. There you go. That's fine. Keeping points, so how I load the yes. I should kind of change this. Because I started off with will and then I swapped to wood, and I shouldn't do that. I can kind of just go through and figure this out. Oh, Tommy's sleepy. It's mostly just what the choices are and not the actual coding part that I'm struggling with. Yeah, I mean, writing the story will always be the hardest part. Not even the story. Designing is always the hardest part. Coding stuff can be hard sometimes, but I don't know. I always find those to be fun challenges, but trying to figure out what to code, yeah, that's the worst part. Always, bar none, every game. Oops, not that. So if I just hit start, so then just do a quick click through. Oh goodness, I forgot about that sound. It's very good. Oh wait, what's this guy from? Do I have him? I don't remember. He might not have required credit, but I'm like, ugh, I should just credit. Because why not? I think I searched Warrior to find him. Let's just look through assets. Writing's always the easiest part. I wish I could say that so much. Because I find it one of the most fun parts, but I'm not good at it. Was it not? Maybe I did night. Oh wait, no, the issue was I took off all this stuff because I only cared about 2D art. So that might help narrow it down a little bit. Is it you? You look right. Yeah, you look right. Collection, RenPy. Look at that. Perfect. Centrics. Knight with hammer. Centrics. There we go. I'll just do that. I've always been so bad. Like, I don't know if this is the right way to credit people. It's so difficult. I hate trying to read all this stuff because it's just like attribution. You're free to, under the following terms, you must give appropriate credit. It's like, if supplied, you must provide the name of the creator and attribution parties, a copyright notice, a license notice, a link to them. Oh my god. It's so gross. I mean, so like this says should do that. I'm like, maybe I should do that, but I also don't really care. Then again, when I was a writer, first and foremost, the coding was really hard for me when you wanted to make a dating sim. Yeah, I believe it. That's why teams are especially helpful. I just hate teams. Because I hate other people. Why hammer if he already has a sword? And the hammer is too small for war. Oh, now that's just not true. That hammer would myrtleize. The character does some carpentry? He looks somewhere above at the stars. Did he saw an airplane? The free has strange position, like it is broken. I like that. That's just pretty funny. I never thought carpentry-sized hammer would do so much harm through iron helmet. Really? Have you never used the hammer before, Nikita? That's pretty fun. I think I'm fine. I don't know if I'm fine, but I think I'm fine. I could probably do it better, but it kind of works out. Zoom. I forgot about the zoom. It's very good. Okay, so why is the manager left here? Did I have something? That seems like something we should work on. Because why is she just randomly showing at the left there? Makes no sense. Oops, not that. Back. It's probably why you put your... Okay, that's better. It's probably why it was way easier once you got the hang of directing. I believe it. Yeah, having like a platform like that really does help everything. So we're just gonna do like a quick click through of this. I never did make the crowd. I mean, this is the longest scene ever, but that's fine. It's perfect. We need it. Okay, yellow, purple. We did it. Yeah, going well. Okay, our introductions work perfectly. Good. Get put to death. Okay, they're all up here. Go to our self-introductions. Wait, hold on. Okay. Oh, no, right. Norma goes after us. That's right. I was like, Bunny didn't introduce herself. Why is Norma saying I'll go next? Okay, yeah, some of Cool's poses are off, but I'm not terribly concerned. It'll be fine. It will be fine. Really, I just want to make sure that there's like no issues with this. I'm like not even worried too much about if it like plays properly or anything. I'm like, it's gonna be bad and great at the same time, no matter what. Let's talk with Sasha. See, I didn't have enough time to make the talking order matter a bit more. Would have been kind of nice, but I don't know. I'm also just really tired. Maybe I'll stream tomorrow and we could finish up or like just do a little bit of bonus stuff and whatnot, because we also never got to add Truck Coon, which we can do that perhaps later. But I'm also like, making the visual novel was fun and all, but I don't really know if it is for me exactly. I had fun, but I don't think I would want to like dedicate my channel to this. You mentioned Truck Coon and then Emiko comes out. I think Norma's the obvious choice. Okay. Sasha does that. I'm like, this could be all right. Like, honestly, if you're reading the whole thing, this might be like a 15 or 20 minute game, which I think is totally fine. It's like the intro episode to an anime. Exactly what we needed, right? I just saw one thing that I'm not... I want Sasha to emote a bit more, so it's after all these. It's in the Finding a Tailor, I think, or somewhere around here. Truck Coon's gonna come eat me in the night. So it's... Wait. Wait. Did this work? I'm like, did that play right? Now I'm very confused. So they're gonna go and write this. Yeah, I'll protect Peggy. I'm totally blanking, like, I don't know. It must have played right. Unless it's, here, like, did I leave one at jumping to live time? Doesn't look like it, no. So I must have just been crazy and it worked well. I just don't remember coming down to the tailor at all. Okay, then I wanted to change that. We'll do show Sasha idle sad, because I want her to emote a little bit. Yeah, okay, see, that's fine right there. Okay, normal leads him. Cool's just kind of chilling back there, but it's fine. Oh, now Senpai is totally gone, but that's fine. I don't know how to like have them take up more screen real estate, and I'm not really in the mood to figure that out. They're just gonna be, and I think that's totally fine. They're just gonna exist and overlap each other, and it's stuff we can fix in the future if we want to. See, I don't know. We'll see. I'll leave it up in the air on if I stream tomorrow and we add more stuff. At the very least, I should get this uploaded as it is now. Oh, I forgot one thing. I need to fix this Windows icon, which you can't see. You can kind of see it when I hover over it in the top left of that pop-up window. I need to fix that, and I'll probably just make it... I don't know what I'm going to make it. It could just be like... I don't know. I should do that, though. So how do you build it for web? Build and open in browser. What does that do? A Truckcoon secret would be beautiful. Yeah, we could see that could be a little bit. So does this work? RenPy loading. That's okay. That's a loading screen choice right there. But hey, I mean, like, it's this is roughly what it'll look like. Wait, did that work? Hey, I mean, hey, like, I'm okay with this. It seems fine. It's playing all right, so I'll take that. Zoom. That one I could have him zoom into like the actual background, but I just have way too much fun with that. Okay, cool. I'm pretty happy with this, all things told. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna update the icon, the Windows icon, just a tad. Even if I just make it like, I don't know, one of their faces, like, could bring the initials down to like 5CG, 5 cute girls, and then that's like all it needs. But yeah, I'll at least want to take a break from this before we come back to it, just because it's not often that I work in 2,000 line files or 2,500 line files. I was doing that for work the other day, and I was like, wow, I really don't want to be here. It's just, I don't know if there's a way to like split it up or something, but it seems really messy. But yeah, so off screen, I'm going to fix that icon. Actually, the icon doesn't matter if I build it for web. I don't see that anywhere. So quite frankly, maybe I don't care. The manager is not a cute girl. She's the manager. Of course. She's not allowed. Well, she's not one that we isekai'd. Wait, hold on. If I right click main menu. Okay, I did put accidentally in here. I was like, did I not put accidentally in the logo? You just shorten it to Hifai Kugi. That's its short name right there. Oh, goodness. Does, like, saving and loading, like, actually work in the web? I mean, I would assume it does. Otherwise, they wouldn't. I'm just going to assume that it works, but I'm like, okay. Like, RenPy Web's a lot better than requiring people to download it, so I'm A-okay with that. The string got you started in finally writing the actual story. Woohoo! I did something. that's pretty much my hope right there. So I just got to write up the itch page now. And that will be fun and exciting, I'm sure. Oh, and figure out how to... Oops. Oh, if you hit control, then it skips. Who knew? Okay, skip's not working now. Whatever. That's fine. Itch.io. HTML. How do you do that? Upload. Name pointing. Thank you. There are two ways to do that. Upload a zip file that contains all of it, including an index.html. Okay, it's compressed. Zip file must contain a file called index.html. Okay, that should be fine. If you make a mistake or release a new version of your game, feel free to upload a new zip file. Okay, I can do that. I'm not just gonna do an HTML file. Oh, yeah, that was for Emiko. Ha, 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 ha. Thanks. Awkward. Take them up. Can I take payments? Should not contain more than 500 individual files. Well, we're pretty gosh darn close to that. I think it said 417. Oh, well. Should not be greater than 1 gig. We're probably fine there. Oh, wait. There are less than 3,000 files? No more than 500 individual files. What? Pico 8. RenPy is not in here. Oh no! When you upload, we'll scan the files listed in our browse page. That's fine. I just got to assume that it's doing that. I'll just need to test all this when I try it. Okay, well, I think I'm going to end this stream here because it's mostly just I got to do this boring stuff. So, yeah, that'll kind of suck. Oh, well. Let's talk to an API. That's fine. Okay, I'm not worried about any of that, I think. So, thank you all for stopping by. You will be able to find this on either my itch page or the itch page for the I Can't Write But Want to Tell a Story game jam. We will get this figured out. Tommy and Skittle are doing A-okay today. They're just having gosh darn fun being cats, except for the fact that there is a yappy dog right next door that's been left outside. I mean, I don't know if it still is, but it was sad and it was yapping and they did not like that. Okay, well, thank you everyone for stopping by. We'll see if I stream tomorrow morning. I'm leaning towards no. But tomorrow night should be Sims and that should be good. So, yeah, time to figure out how to end a stream, I guess. I will see you guys probably tomorrow for Sims, unless things go awry, as they always seem want to do. So thank you all for stopping by, and bye.